How to transfer specific album to PhotoBucket on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer specific album to PhotoBucket on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now just go down until you find transfer a copy of your information, click on it and then just click next and then click photo bucket, and now just click this one specific album and select any album you want and then next, and go to videos and click none and next, and now just connect your Facebook with photo bucket, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.